over there we just built. Now what you're gonna need here is you're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay? Because we're gonna have to remove this. Now observe. Hit a Phillips head screwdriver. And just get it up under there like this. Well, there you go. Now I have to remove the locking mechanism for the latch. We're gonna need the mechanical advantage. That wasn't so bad. Now that we've beat our brains out to get the latch off and cleaned, we simply need but install. We picked a flush location. We did exactly no measurements. Now that the latch part is secure, we're now going to secure the locking mechanism. We're of course reusing every shitty screw we can get our hands on. Of course our budget doesn't allow for a tool belt. And there you have it. The completed latch with a holding mechanism. You can also use a master lock with our brand new shed door. Very nice. Non-hurricane proof shred door. Shred, which is like a shed. Tune in next week where we air up tires with squirrels.